guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, guys, I finally did my makeup, like a little light makeup look. It's been months since I did my makeup. I haven't done my makeup since freaking before I found out I was pregnant. After that, I just was going crazy. I couldn't do my makeup. But anyway, I wanted to do two gender guesses, being that this month I find out what the gender of my baby is. I found out at the end of the month. So I thought it would be fun to do two of the gender myths, the old wives' tales. I wanted to do them. I'm not gonna do all of those extra ones like the ring and put it over my stomach. I just want to do the ones that I guess stood out to me. I did try the ring before, not the ring I did with a necklace that I had, and I mean it swung back and forth. I really don't feel like that's just too much. It's hard for me to stay still. But the ones that I want to do is the baking soda, the 2 tablespoons of baking soda one, and I guess you pour your urine in it. And so if you don't want to see urine, don't watch this video. I want to tell you guys that. But yeah, so I guess you pour your urine inside of it, and if it fizzes up a lot like beer, then I guess that means that you're having a boy. And if it stays calm, that means you are having a girl. So if it's calm, it's a girl. If it fizzes up like crazy like beer, it's a boy. And then the second one that I wanted to do is the second one that I wanted to do is the Chinese calendar one. I like watched a lot of reviews about these two, and like I mean majority of them said like they were confirmed, like it was real. So you know, hopefully this tells me what I'm having. Let's hope it's a boy. That's what I really want. But I mean, if it's a girl or boy, I'm gonna be happy regardless. I will be having a gender reveal at the end of the month or in September when I find out. That's when I'll find out for sure what I'm having. And I'll definitely keep you guys posted and updated and a part of that. I'll try my hardest. Like, it's been really hard to keep up and make videos. Like I said that I wanted to keep you guys like a part of everything from that last video, but I was just so like I started to get really sick again, and I thought that in my second trimester that like being sick and stuff was supposed to be over with, but no, like I got really sick again. Like I was throwing up. Like I'm surprised I got up today and actually did like something, like did my makeup and just did something. But I just felt like I wanted to do something just, you know, for myself to make me feel good, because oh my god, this pregnancy has been making me feel like a whack ass biatch. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna do the urine and the baking soda first, and then I'm going to do the Chinese calendar. So don't judge me, guys. My pee is kind of freaking yellow, but it's still early because I haven't really drank much today, and that's what usually happens. This is like the second time I pee today. And I just had like my first cup of lemon water, so don't judge me. I drank a lot of orange soda yesterday, but so okay. So this is the baking soda, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and my pee. Ugh, it's really dark. But I mean, one thing I noticed that too, like being pregnant, your pee, it gets light, but it's always like a foggy color, because they make me pee every time I go to the doctor, and it's like no matter how much water I drank and chug down, it still is like, I think that's just pregnancy pee, honestly. But anyway, so I'm going to do the pee test. It's not gonna spill. Oh hell no. I see a little sizzle. Does that mean boy? Because I see a little sizzle. Does this mean boy, guys? I don't know what to tell. What does this look like to you guys? This looks like beer or calm? Looks like beer to me. We'll say boy, I guess. Alright, so I guess this means boy. I'm guessing. So hopefully, because it fizzed up like beer, so I guess that means boy. Yeah, so boy. My Chinese calendar says that I'm gonna have a girl, so girl it is, boy, but I mean we'll really just see at the end. We'll just see at my ultrasound. Everybody wants me to have a freaking girl. I really want to have a boy because I don't need a girl. I don't need a little me. But yeah. So I'm doing the Chinese gender predictor. So let's see. What month was your baby conceived? April, because I found out in May. I am 22. Let's see what this. So that's one for girl. Says girl. Everybody keeps saying I'm having a girl. Yeah, but this is one for girl. I did those two. I think the P one was a boy, I'm guessing. I don't really know. But I guess so it's one for boy, one for girl. I don't want to do the other ones. But yeah, but we'll really find out when I go to my appointment on the 21st. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I'll record my gender reveal and everything. I'll try to and update you guys on it. And put in the comments too what other videos I should do. I'm gonna do another video in a few days actually too about my stalkers because it's getting out of hand. If you look at one of the videos, one of them commented on it as a profile of me. People are nuts. But anyway, yeah, so I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated, and thanks for watching my vid.